Today I am going to explain third introductory video of the polynomials. Previous 2 days I explained about the first introductory video and then second introductory video. In first introductory video I explained about the definition of the polynomial and conclusion from the polynomial definitions. And second introductory video I explained in the second introductory video types of polynomial on the basis of the degree. Now today I am going to explain about the third introductory video, the types of polynomials on the basis of terms. So first of all you have to know about the what is term coefficient. Okay, so come to the point. I'm going to explain polynomial. Introductory video. First of all you have to explain about the term. Suppose that I have a polynomial px x square plus bx plus c. You have seen that this is first term, second term and third term. In the first and second term, given that variable terms and third term is constant term. Okay, so you have seen that here is constant number and c constant number. This is what? Real number. This is x variable, x variable, x variable. So you can say that each part of the polynomials is called term. So we can say that term, definition of term, each part of the polynomial which is separated by plus or minus sign is called term. For example, if px is equal to given ax square plus bx plus c, you have seen that there are three terms in that equation, polynomial. How many terms? 3. So the number of terms is equal to 3. Getting 1, 2 and 3, which is separated by plus sign. And I am going to take another example. Px is equal to minus 3x square plus 2x minus 3. So I have seen that this term is separated by minus sign and this both term is separated by plus sign. So you have seen that each part of the polynomial which separated by plus or minus sign is called term. Now I am talking about the coefficient. Sorry. Talking about the coefficient. Talking about the coefficient. In the given term, each variable or constant point or constant number, variable or constant number is called coefficient. Is called coefficient. See, how can you understand about this statement? Suppose that px is equal to given x square plus bx plus c. If I will ask what is the coefficient of x square, what is the coefficient of x square? So you will tell that a, if what is the coefficient of a, so we will tell x square, or what is the coefficient of ax. So you have to write like this, or we can write ax into x. So coefficient of ax, so we tell that x. That's why I written there in the definition, in the given term, each variable or constant number is called coefficient. Done. So you have seen that it is not necessary that the coefficient only will be a, b and c. Coefficient should x square also. Coefficient should x also. Getting? Now I am going to the explain about the main topic, the types of polynomials on the basis of the number of terms. Types of polynomial. Types of polynomial on the basis of number of terms. Number of terms. First, monomial. Second, binomial. Third, trinomial. Fourth, quadrinomial. And fifth, polynomial. Fifth, polynomial. So this is mainly five types of polynomial on the basis of terms. So now we have to discuss one by one. What do you mean by polynomial? What do you mean by binomial? What do you mean by trinomial? And what do you mean by polynomial? So friends, let's we discuss about the what is the monomial. What is the monomial? On the basis of terms. So see here, if px is equal to what? 2x square. So we have seen that there is only one term. Only one term. So you can define like this. Nothing you have to only understand the concept and define in all language. No need to write in book language. So like this, like me, I'm going to define the definition of the polynomial. The polynomial having one term. having one term is called monomial. अब आप यहां देख सकते हैं पोलिनोमियल गिव है, इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारा वन टर्म भी क्या है, एक पोलिनोमियल है। वन टर्म ही क्या है, एक पोलिनोमियल है, बट यू विल टेल दैट दिस इज पोलिनोमियल इन वन टर्म। दिस इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन। इफ वन टर्म इज गिवन, द पोलिनोमियल इन वन टर्म, or you can say monomial. Getting? So we can write, we study about this point. Suppose that px is equal to 2x square minus 2x square. So you can read that polynomial in term 1. Getting? So you have to write in all language, only one term you can write in any power. Okay, for the monomial. Next, binomial. Next, binomial. Second type of polynomial, binomial. If I will take the example of px is equal to ax square plus bx, bx plus c, bx plus c. Now you have seen that there are two terms is given. How many terms given? Two terms are given. So you can define like this: the polynomial, having only two terms is called binomial. Binomial. You have seen that this binomial also a polynomial. Monomial also a polynomial, but we will study or read that this is polynomial in term 2. Polynomial in term 2. For example, fx is equal to 2x plus 3 is an example of polynomial. So how many terms? How many terms? Two terms. And coefficient of x is equal to 2. Okay, you have to write like this. Now, third type of polynomial on the basis of terms. On the basis of terms. Trinomial. 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 Now you have to see that I am going to take the example. Suppose that px is equal to x square plus bx plus c. How many terms? 1, 2, 3. Number of term is 3. Number of terms is equal to 3. So we can define that the polynomial having only 3 terms, is called trinomial. What is called trinomial? You have seen that 1, 2, 3 terms are made like this. Suppose that px is equal to minus 2p square. So here we can write fx p 2p square minus 3p and plus 2. You can take in variable p also. So if you will write what is the coefficient of p square, coefficient of p square, you can write minus 2. This is I am question leaving for you. Coefficient of p. Coefficient of p. Write the answer I given for you. Okay. Getting? Now, next type of polynomial I'm going to explain. Fourth, quadrinomial. Quadrinomial. Now, px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. See how many terms? There are 4 terms. So now you can define like this. The polynomial having 4 terms, having 4 terms is called quadrinomial. See how many terms? 4 terms. Or suppose that one example, py is equal to minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 9. See how many terms? 4 terms. If I will ask you the coefficient of minus 2 in the given polynomial, what is the coefficient of minus 2? We write x cube. Here you can see that it is not necessary that the coefficient of only variable is given. नहीं, दोनों में से किसी का भी कोफिशिएंट हो सकता है. माइनस 2 एक्स क्यू का कोफिशिएंट है, एक्स क्यू द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ माइनस 2. गेटिंग? व्हाट इज द coefficient of x cube? So you can write minus 2. Again, what is the coefficient of minus 2x square? So you can write x. Okay. From any type of question can come in the examination board examination. So you should be prepared. Getting? Now I think you have to understand about the types of polynomial, like quadripolynomial, monomial. Sorry, the polynomial having one term called monomial, the polynomial having 2 terms called binomial, the polynomial having 3 terms called trinomial, the polynomial having 4 terms called quadrinomial. You can note down these definitions. Next and last type of polynomial I am going to explain. Polynomial. The algebraic expression having four or more than four terms are called is called polynomial. When having four or more than four terms is called polynomial. Done. For example, p is equal to minus 2x 4 plus 3x plus 4x square minus 3. Or we can another example. Here we can write more than four terms. Here we can write 5 4 cube square plus 4. 1 2 3 4 5. This is called polynomial in term 5. Okay, so actually we have to discuss about the polynomial on the basis of the term, but you have heard that this is also polynomial. P is equal to 2x. This is also polynomial. It's equal to 3x plus 2. This is also polynomial. 6x square plus 4x plus 3. Everything is polynomial. Why? You have to read that polynomial in degree in term 1, polynomial in term 2, polynomial in term 3rd. Only we have to change the name: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Getting? This is polynomial because the name is given px, px, px and px. Okay. This x in which variable the polynomial is coming, that variable will write should be there. Okay. So today I finished the introductory part of the video of the polynomial. Tomorrow we have to discuss about the some other point or definition about the polynomial. तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट, स्वीट ड्रीम, जय हिंद.